watched the whole time with people up there. So they said that the whole of this causeway, the kind of slope leading up to the site, originally used to run water down, and you can still see in the floor where the circular, like they said, copper pipes would have run to channel the water all the way down. It's fascinating stuff. Oh wow. Pyramid at the water.
And we tried the different types of stones to see the induction of it, and we found out that the darker color limestone is almost as good as gold. Wow. In inducting electromagnetic currents. So limestone is very, so if we understand that the structure was built in a way to harness from the natural currents that is running in the ground, then limestone, and especially done from the same bedrock, would be the best quality to use to run the energy into the entire structure. When some higher power gives you a gift, so he was giving this gift by Ra. This is what the name would mean.
سخرب نب حكينو عن خجت، يعني الحاكم صاحب الاحتفالات او الابتهالات والدعاء، تمام، عن جت فليحيى.
Compressed air would be better, but
Yeah, we free piano. That's
Just a perfectly machine-shaped hole in a rock. We're always being watched the whole time with people up there. This is the destruction that we're talking about. Just everywhere is just destroyed. But like everywhere. Everywhere. Okay, we're gonna run away from the group and we're gonna go over here. Oh my god. This is crazy. Look. This is just chilling out here on the floor. Wish I could read it. Wow, that's amazing. But this is huge. And over there, there's like steps. There's steps going up to somewhere that isn't there anymore. So there's a huge pyramid here, ton, more pyramids over there.